and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'd like to express my gratitude to my So today we are at the beach with my family. It's Christmas Day and it's the first Christmas without my dad. So yeah, we decided to go outdoors. Enjoy the day with us. I'm going to do a short vlog of what we have like a list of activities that we'll be doing. So I think we'll be going so that we can settle down and try doing the activities that we have planned. And then the kids are going to be swimming. It's going to be fun. I'm so excited. Enjoy. Guys, this is the best beach.
Which one?
This one.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's not full. So this is my family. Besides Ellie, what's better than this one? Bonds. So this is my brother.
And I don't see any fire. I saw the man baby la pa kanda bana nyama ba fry.
And this is bamboo. That's me. I'm going and then that's my mom, brothers. Oh, he wants to appear, guys. This is my brother. And yeah.
Us. Yeah, we're just chilling.
Oh, when are we going to swim? Yeah, for swimming, not for walking and talking.
Hi, oh, koi masyam.
Yeah, we are posted on the room in the
So guys, we ended up changing beaches. If this vlog does come out, just know that we are not entirely happy. Because where we were first, it was more chilled. Now we are at Eastern Beach at Planji because we couldn't buy where we were, so it's packed here. It's like really packed. But you just guys, so this is the beach we changed to. Why I'm not able to vlog in your end? Because it says he. Hi, Bo. Hi.
It's in the better breaks in the better breaks.
Christmassy, hey, Christmassy, yeah, true. Hey, Christmassy, yeah, true. I'm feeling safe. So guys, this is Eastern Beach. It is full. This is my granny. She's had it. She's about enough. I can't smile, Betul. So, sila location. Location.
Are we gonna sit up there?
Kasi yung masuk ka sa mga sa banduan.
So, pwede po akin.
Mas pa da. Off na siya manzin.
Away from the bar.
Sunday.
Uzofota Kimo. Cala ukuthi bayafota Kimo. Athi kubamba kholas. Jonga kube.
Babo. Oh, yeah. Hey. Ya phosi sikwazi lapho udayiza. Udayile nani? Yo, hayi ke ubalekile lo kwashiya.
Kaloku bendileqisa apha ukuba kuzawude kubanje bengekangeni emanzini. Into kubo into enjani.
Vitorize emnandi.
Going home now. Okay, guys, welcome guys to my sister's location.
This marks the end.
Yes, this marks the end. We have been, it's been a long day, and yeah, this is not the best beach, but
we made the best out of it. We actually did enjoy.
You guys did.
What you didn't? Would have been better if Besipa.
Yes, like legit.
But it's fine. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to comment and share.